In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your design version history in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or new to the world of digital design, being able to track changes and revert to previous versions can be a lifesaver. So let's dive into this process together and ensure you can manage your Canva creations with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Canva and logging into your account. This is the initial step to access your project. Once you're in, you'll notice that Canva automatically saves your progress every time you make changes to your design. It's like having an automatic safety net, ensuring that none of your creative genius is lost. It's a fantastic feature that takes the pressure off manually saving your work every few minutes. Next, to actually view these changes, you'll need to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You're looking for a cloud icon with a check mark inside it. This icon is your gateway to the version history of your design. It might be easy to miss if you're not sure what to look for, but once you've spotted it, you're just a click away from accessing all your saved versions. When you click on that icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to click on Open Version History. It's important to note that this feature is available only to Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version of Canva, unfortunately this particular tool won't be accessible. But if you are a Pro user, go ahead and open up the version history. On the right side of your screen, you'll now see a panel displaying your version history. This panel shows a timeline of all the changes saved chronologically, which is incredibly useful for tracking the evolution of your design and understanding what changes were made at each point in time. To take advantage of this feature, you'll want to scroll through the timeline and click on a specific time frame that you're interested in. This action will highlight how your design looked at that particular moment. It's remarkably helpful when you want to assess changes or find a point in your design process that you'd like to revisit. Finally, if you decide that you want to revert to a previous version or perhaps use it as a basis for a new design, you have two options. You can either click Restore to revert entirely to that past state, or you can make a copy, allowing you to save yourself a new file while keeping your existing design unchanged. This dual option gives you flexibility depending on what best suits your needs. And there you have it. You now know how to check and manage your design version history in Canva, a powerful way to ensure that your creative process remains smooth and stress-free.